Oh. Hey friends, what is up? It's Melanie and today we are doing a try on haul. It has been way too long since I've done one of these. I still go shopping. I'll be honest, I don't go shopping quite as much, but this video is going to be a collection of like literally everything I bought this school year. I'm calling it like revamping my style a little bit because I bought some fun new things, a little out of my comfort zone. A lot of them are thrifted. I'll try to mention the brands or where I got them from, but other than that, let's get straight into it. As I said, these things are gonna be like from throughout the year. I'm trying to go in an order. I'll try to put similar, like if it's thrifted, I'll put it together. If it's from like brandy, of course there's a big brandy section, but I'll try to put it together. That being said, let's start with brandy. Okay, honestly, this is not as bad. Wait, I forgot something. Wait, did I? I didn't want to forget to show you guys this. I live near a brandy when I'm at school, which is like great and also awful because I've mentioned this so many times, but it's like if I want to treat myself, I go there. If I feel sad, I go there. It's just, you know, it's right next to Alfred's. Anyway, I have this skirt. I have two of these. I am really short, so they like drag and I have to roll them like 3 times, but that doesn't matter. I think it's so cute. I love long skirts because I don't know, I think they're just like so fun and flowy and I kind of feel like a princess. So I love this one. I also have a floral one and I like the white one. I think it's really easy to like style. Honestly, I feel like this isn't even that bad. I feel like it's not that bad, but then again, these are all like tank tops, so it looks like a lot less. Floral lace tank top. I think this would be really cute with like matching shorts as like a PJ set too, but I just definitely wear this as a normal tank top. I love all of their florals. They're so dainty and grandma, and I think it's beautiful for like the spring. I love it. I have a couple different floral pattern tank tops from there, but I wear them all so much, so love her. I guess that was the only pattern one. I have a lot of basic. This definitely didn't need, but I wear it a lot. It's just like black and lace, and it has like a little, okay, you can't see it, I'll try it on obviously, but it has like a little bow. I think this is a great little like undershirt, layer shirt. It looks great with a cardigan. It's simple, but it's definitely different from the other black tank tops I had because the other ones are all very just like plain. Like if I like a shape of a tank top, I will buy it in every color, especially black, white, and gray, but I don't have many like v-neck one, so I'm glad I got this one. That being said, another tank top. This is a white one. It's kind of like a square neck. This one has like a built-in bra, which I like love. I've worn this with a lot of more like professional outfits, like under a button-up and stuff, because it's really comfy and honestly it looks pretty sleek, so I like it. I repurchased this skirt, which was so embarrassing. This was a skirt I bought in London and I loved it. It's just like a black mini skirt, but it has kind of like a mesh over it and it has a little bow, but I really like it. I think it's very simple but very like cute at the same time, like a little bit different than just your typical super tight mini skirt, but I left it in London, so I was really sad for a year and then I ended up rebuying it because I actually don't have that many skirts. Love it. Can't wait till it gets a little bit warmer so I can wear it. Then this is actually really embarrassing. I had to rebuy like black and white baby tees because I had two that I loved, also from Brandy. Great quality. They weren't getting worn out or anything like that. I cut them and I cut them way too short, so like after I washed them, they were, I kid you not, I would raise my hands and it would, you could see my bra. It was bad. It was so bad. And then I had no black and white tops, but I rebought them. Yeah, not super fun, but of course I wear them all the time. They're like must-haves, and I really like all of Brandy's little basics. Every time I go there, I want baseball tees, and I don't know why, because baseball tees were like a thing in middle school or high school or something, and they went out so hard. Like I had a bunch of them. I threw all of them away, like donated all of them, because I was like, get this out of my sight. And then they came back and now I like love them, maybe just because they're like tighter fit. But I got this one. I like it. Like, do I need to say more? Yeah, this is like my 4th baseball tee from Brandy, but I wear them all the time, all the time. One thing from Free People, it is the, I think it's called the Love Letter tank top. I've like been eyeing it for so long and I didn't want to pay that much for it, but I did it. I did it after a test. I treated myself, I got it, and I love it. I think it is so cute. It's so stretchy and comfy. It's kind of just like this textured floral like scrunchy kind of popcorn top, and I also think this color is cool because it's kind of like black blue, but like I don't know, it's kind of a unique wash because it's like black but it's lighter. I don't know. I think it's cool because it looks good if you pair it with like blacks or browns. It's also like thicker straps, which is nice to have some tank tops with thicker straps. Love her. You guys might have seen this on my TikTok or Instagram or somewhere. I was getting so many ads for this, and let me tell you, I did not expect my Walmart to actually have it, but they had it perfectly my size. I made a little video about it. I was so excited, and my love just grows for her. I think she's so cute. I love this vibe of jacket. I don't know what the cut, it's kind of like cardigan style. It's very like light. I think it's perfect for California. I love the grandma vibe. It looks very like Anthropology, Vera Bradley, Free People. I don't know, like all the things I just love. It's kind of like patchwork, different florals, but this is just in the girls section. But I got an extra large, which is a size 18, which I think is the biggest size, and it was like 25 bucks or something. It was so perfect. Okay, this is also a individual piece. I got this from H&M, and it was in the sale rack. It was like $6 or something. It's just like a little zip up vest. I think this can definitely be dressed up or down, and it was a really good all winter piece. I need to get a couple more wears in before it gets too warm out. I really love it. Really sold me because it was on sale too. It's such a different vibe showing things on hangers. I feel like it's more stylist vibes than haul vibes. But I'm going to show you two things from Zara, and then the rest is going to be thrifted. These two things, wait, I'm literally a liar. This one is just from H&M. Anyways, this is from H&M apparently, but I really wanted a cropped puffer because I have like a North Face puffer at home that I like forgot anyway, so that doesn't really do anything for me. But I didn't want to buy like another heavy duty North Face one. I wanted like a cute crop, more fashionable than warmth. Like, don't get me wrong, it keeps me a little bit warm, but I'm wearing it in California, you know? I think this did the job perfectly. I got it in a size large, medium. Got it in a size medium. So I like it. It's a little oversized. I feel like it's the perfect crop. Okay, now this one's from Zara. It's actually from the kids section. It's like a very woolly material. It's very warm. It's like slightly itchy, but like not so itchy that I need an undershirt. I got it in the size 13 to 14, and it has like this really long thing. It looks kind of weird, but I don't know, it also looks kind of like fancy, like I should be carrying around a dog in my purse or something. I don't know. It's also this burnt orange color, and I think the reason I thought they were both from Zara is because I always pair these together. I think they look so good together. But anyways, I had this phase where I got really into the zip ups, and so I went to the mall and I was searching for one, and this is what I came out with, and I love it. I think so. Now we are on to the thrift section. Once again, this is from multiple different thrift sessions. But anyways, let's get into it. I am an overalls girly. I love overalls, but when you get them like, I feel like on Depop and at flea markets, they're so overpriced, but these ones are so cheap. They were like $5. They are cut off shorts. I think someone cut them. They're gonna be a bit oversized on me. They're a size medium, but I love that with overall. I think these are gonna be great for the summer. I can't wait to start wearing them. Once it gets warm out, I'm whipping these out. Guys, I got these really cute summer dresses. I don't know why. I like go back and forth between dresses. Anyways, this one is kind of funny. It kind of reminds me of like the Brandy Jada dress era, just because of the way it's like tiered. But like, look at that embroidery. I am such a sucker for embroidery. I especially think, since I've embroidered stuff myself and I'm a crafter, like when I see pretty embroidery, I'm like, it's also super comfy, flowy, soft. Love this green color. Such a find. By the way, this is the Jessica Simpson brand, which is interesting. Did not know she had a brand. This dress, it has a rip in the front, but well, one, I didn't notice it until after I got home, but two, I feel like the fact that I didn't notice it, like you can't really see it when it's on because it's flowy, but this is the rip. The thing is, like, okay, yeah, I probably need to wear a bandeau with this, but I tried to wear this braless and oh my gosh, it was like so uncomfortable, which was heartbreaking because it looked cute, but I had to like rip it off as soon as I got home. But I think I just need to figure out how to wear this. Anyways, it's American Eagle. I was impressed. I also think it's fun because you could definitely wear this as a midi skirt, just because this is just stretchy. These two items I got before spring break when I went to Hawaii, and I was looking for like flowy stuff that I could wear there, and I wore both of these. They worked great. These pants fit perfect. They're flowy. They're so comfy, and I just think they're fun. They're like pink and brown. They have like a little drawstring. They're kind of like mid-low waisted. And then I got this one. I actually cropped it. I feel like it could be frumpy, but I also just like it. It's so flowy and comfy. The top part has a cool stitching too. These items, I don't know, I feel like sometimes at thrift stores or just in general, I buy things thinking I will absolutely love them and wear them all the time, and then I just end up not really wearing them. But these two were the opposite. I feel like my love for them just has flourished and grown, which is kind of beautiful and over dramatic. This first one, I was really considering not getting it, and boy oh boy, I am so glad I did. It's like a kind of, not a peplum, but it has a ruffle at the bottom. It's this burnt orange color. It's such a cute little cropped cut, and it's kind of like not crochet but like unique pattern. The brand is House of Harlow 1960, and it's a size extra small. This one, sometimes I think back, I'm like, I can't believe I even thought about not getting that. Like, I love it now. But this is kind of like a holy little sweater. The brand is Locke, and it's a size 6, but I actually cropped it myself. I definitely like it a lot more now that it's cropped, but I think it's just really fun. It's kind of reminds me of these tops I've seen on Pinterest. I got these jeans. These ones were kind of a miss, but I'll still show you. Whole purpose of this thrift trip, I remember, I just wanted jeans that I could fold up to impersonate the Zara folded jeans. I don't know, I've just been seeing them a lot. I think they're adorable, and I felt like it wouldn't be that hard. Like, I thought you just needed straight leg jeans. It's not true. It looks weird, but luckily I always feel like I can upcycle things. They're Gap teen jeans. Okay, this one, I have been like eyeing blazers in general. Like, I dig blazers. I'm not a casual blazer girly. I wish I was. I wanted to just wear blazers more, but I think I might just end up wearing them for professional events. Anyways, I think this one's really cute. It's very oversized. It has this really cool print that I don't know what it's called, but it's honestly, it's in great condition. Here's the information. I don't want to read it. The last item I will be including in this haul is an accessory that I'm in love with. It is the Baggu medium crescent, and oh my gosh, I was like waiting for this thing to come back in stock. I remember it came back in stock. I think I like woke up and saw it, and then I closed my eyes for 30 minutes and then it was gone. Looking back, I was like, why didn't I just buy it on the spot? But anyways, it all worked out. The next time it was back in stock, I checked out speed of light, got it. I'm so happy. I have not regretted it one bit. It was amazing for traveling. It's also just nice because I don't have any, this is just a lie. I was gonna say, I don't have any bags this size, which is semi-true. I feel like it can hold as much as a tote bag holds, but then it like has a different look. It also has so many pockets, which I love. Anyways, I just think it's cute. The over-the-shoulder casual style too. I'm so here for it. I have been loving Baggu. Anyways, all right guys, so that is it for this haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see more of fashion or any of those things, make sure to check me out on my other socials. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.